Hello, this is Robert. I'm going to show you here on the stove a short demonstration on how to make popcorn without a popcorn maker. You only need two ingredients to do this: popcorn seeds and vegetable oil. First, you take your popcorn seeds and you put them in your pan. Yeah, a little more. Almost covering the whole bottom of the pan in a nice single layer as such. Take your oil. I'm using garlic flavored vegetable oil, and you put it in like so. Whoop. Give it a little shake. Get it all covered with oil, and then apply the heat. We're going to use a medium-high heat. Put the lid on it, and then we just wait. If you turn off your kitchen lights, you can actually see the burner in the stove. Kind of cool. Now we just wait for the kernels to get hot. As you can see, they're starting to, the oil is starting to boil down there. Any second now they're going to start popping. Don't do that with the lid off though. The stove goes up to 10. I have mine on about 7. Doesn't have to be super hot, but you need it hot enough to get it to pop, but not too hot to burn it. Okay, we have popping. Another minute or so, this will be ready to go. While this is popping, I got my toppings ready. I got some butter that I'm going to add to the pan when we dump this into the bowl over here. You'll also want to have your bowl ready to go. And then I also like to use garlic on top of my popcorn. Give it a little shake. And it's almost to the top. The lid might come up a little bit, but it should be enough friction to hold the popcorn in the pan as it's popping. And it sounds like it's about to stop, which means there's just enough kernels in there. You just want to cover the bottom of the pan with a thin layer, a single layer of kernels. About 85% of the bottom of the pan will be about the capacity the pan can hold. And it sounds like it's done. We'll slide it off the burner, and then we'll tip it over and pour it into the bowl. And there you go. And then, while the pan is still hot, take your topping, put it in the pan. That's good. And then just pour it into the And then I like to use the pan, Put some popcorn in there, shake it up, put it in, turn it over, do it again. That pretty much cleans the mess out of the pan, and the popcorn's ready to eat. Just got to throw some garlic on it. If you have brewer's yeast or salt, you can use that, but I don't recommend salt for the sodium. And that's it. Popcorn in a pan. Thanks for watching.